Namaskar. In this video, we are going to discuss an important topic, that is learn and earn through Excel. Learn and earn through Excel is a very upcoming job in today's world. As you know, researchers and analysts and companies, they collect information from various respondents through Google form, and these Google forms, these are coming back, and they can be stored in Excel sheet. And after getting these Excel sheets, these needs to be cleaned. And for your better convenience, I am just going to show you how the data cleaning jobs are open for open for all of you. Now let me share the screen and show you, and the data cleaning jobs are how how in front of us. See, we have seen, check out a sample of the 209 data cleaning professional jobs, etc. And you can see these are the prices given here, and these prices, these are the prices for various activities. And as per your norms and as per your requirement, you can fix your price also. So these are the jobs in the online market now, for data cleaning only. So if you know data cleaning means, if for data cleaning you need to consume only 2 minutes or hardly 3-4 minutes. And after getting the knowledge of cleaning the data, then you can start earning money from online jobs. And so for that, see, suppose we take means in this video we are going to discuss how the data are clean. Means before that, what is data cleaning, means why data cleaning is important. As you know, some of the data, while getting the responses, then some of the data may be missing, or some of the data may not be in proper form. So to make them in proper form, or to clean this missing information, this entire process is called data cleaning. And for that, let me have a fictitious sheet, and with this sheet we can discuss how data cleaning is done only for blanks and the commas and delimiters. So as you know, there are some blanks, and these blanks, see, suppose you have a very big data sheet, and in this big data sheet it is not possible manually to get all these to search all these blanks. And if it is possible, but it will consume time. So it is an irritating process. But Excel is a fantastic tool through which you can, at a click, you can select all the blanks, and then you can delete all these blanks. Then that cleaning part will be over, and then we will come to another thing. So for that, let me let me go to what let me select this entire sheet, then go to home tab. Then after going to home tab, then you are to go to this find and select option. Click in find and select option, then you will see a drop down menu will come up. Then go to spatial. I hope you can understand it. Go to spatial. So go to spatial, click on go to spatial. Then what do you want to remove? We want to see the blanks first, and then we want to remove it. So click this blank, and then click OK. So after clicking this blank and then OK, then you have seen the blanks are blanks. All the blanks are, you can see here, all the blanks are highlighted. Now what is your job? To delete all these, to delete all these blanks. What is to do? You have you seen here, there is a menu here called delete, and in the delete menu on the right hand side there is a drop down arrow. Click this drop down arrow, and we have so many rows containing these blanks. So we want to delete all these, we have to delete all these rows, then only you can delete the blanks. Otherwise it will not serve the purpose. So click this delete sheet rows. Once you click the delete sheet rows, then you see the blanks are already over. So that part is over. Then come to the second one. Come to the second one means in the facility column you have seen there are some commas, and we do not want these commas. Rather, in every comma we want a column. So what is to do? Yes, for this purpose also we have another process. Now for this you have to select the column, then go to data tab, and clicking on the data tab you can see there is text to column option. So click their text to column option. While clicking text to column option, then you can see there is delimited. It is already by default it is selected. Delimited, what is it? It means characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. So means you can separate these, separate each field means commas or tabs etc separately to separate columns. So now what is to do? Yes, then go to next, and here by default there may be a tab option. By default it is already there, but I have already done something, that's why tab option has not been ticked. Now by default tab option will be ticked, and your job is to untick this tab and then click only on comma, and then click next. Click next, then you will see, click next, then click finish, then you will see these are these these are all in different columns for every commas. And if you want, then you can go to this home tab once again, and then you can give this borders, all borders. You can see these are this facility column has been divided into separate columns. So I think you have understood everything, and that's it. So if you like this video, then please subscribe it, share it, and thank you for the for watching the video.